Bitcoin breaks $94,000. The crypto market is erupting. Bitcoin has just shattered records, soaring to over $94,000. What does this mean for the crypto market, and is this the beginning of a massive surge? Let's dive in. Ladies and gentlemen, the crypto market is on fire, and we're witnessing history in the making. As I speak, Bitcoin has surged past an astonishing $94,000, smashing through its previous all-time highs. This is not just another bullish run. This is a statement, a reminder of how powerful and resilient this market truly is. But it's not just about Bitcoin's price. It's also about dominance. Bitcoin dominance is holding steady at around 60%, signaling that the market is gearing up for something big, perhaps the next major impulsive move. This is where things get really exciting. With Bitcoin at $94,000 and dominance at 60%, what's next? Could we be on the verge of an alt-season explosion? Stay tuned for the details. The retail crowd is slowly trickling back into the market, and you can feel the excitement building. Why? Because mainstream media is finally shining the spotlight on crypto. This increased exposure could bring an influx of new investors, pushing the market to even greater heights. We're standing at the crossroads of what could be the most explosive growth phase in crypto history. And right now, we need to talk about this. What's driving this momentum? What does it mean for Bitcoin, for altcoins, and for the future of digital assets? We're going to address all of it. Don't miss a single update about this historic moment. Subscribe to MMO Crypto right now and join us as we navigate the most exciting time in crypto history. The MMO Crypto welcome. Let's talk Bitcoin surged. Welcome to MMO Crypto, where we bring you everything you need to know about the world of digital assets. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just starting your journey, this is the place to be. Today, we're diving into something extraordinary. Bitcoin has surpassed $94,700, continuing its incredible surge to the upside. This is no ordinary move. With a 24-hour trading volume of over $75.06 billion, Bitcoin's performance is nothing short of phenomenal. We're talking about billions of dollars exchanging hands, reflecting the sheer magnitude of interest and activity in the market. Why is Bitcoin's surge so significant, and how could it shape the rest of the market? Stay with us as we break it all down. If you're new here, welcome. And if you've been following us for a while, thank you for being part of our growing community. At MMO Crypto, our mission is to keep you informed, prepared, and ahead of the curve. So if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Join the MMO Crypto family today. Subscribe now, and let's explore the future of digital assets together. Altcoin rally, utility projects shine bright. Altcoins are surging across the board. Could this be the start of something even bigger for projects like XRP, XLM, and Q&T? Over the past 24 hours, the altcoin market has been absolutely thriving. Gains are strong and consistent across the board, with some standout performers making waves. Let's start with XLM, surging above 26. It's a clear indication that this utility-focused project is gaining traction. Then there's XRP, holding steady at around 13, proving its resilience and strength in this evolving market. It's not just about these two tokens, though. The utility sector as a whole is shining bright. Projects like Hedera, Elrond, and Q&T have seen incredible momentum over the past 7 days. These are the kinds of gains that make being in crypto right now so exciting. Each of these projects represents innovation, scalability, and real-world use cases, which is why they're catching the attention of investors worldwide. But here's the most important part. This isn't even the euphoric stage of the market. What could that look like? And how far can these altcoins go? It's crucial to keep in mind that despite the current excitement, we are far from the peak of this market cycle. Bitcoin dominance is still hovering near 60%, and we haven't fully entered the alt season phase. This means that while the gains are impressive, the best might still be ahead of us. As the market dynamics shift and more capital flows into altcoins, the potential for these projects to go parabolic becomes even greater. In short, what we're witnessing now is just the beginning. The altcoin rally is gaining steam, and the projects with real utility and innovation are leading the charge. For anyone paying attention, this is a sign of what's possible in the months to come. Bitcoin dominance and the next big market cycle. Bitcoin dominance is holding steady at 60%, but what does history tell us about what's coming next? Are we heading into the most exciting phase of this cycle? Bitcoin's dominance is currently sitting at nearly 60%, and while that might seem steady, it's also a signal. Why? Because alt season hasn't truly begun yet. This is a pivotal moment in the crypto market, a time when Bitcoin continues its steady climb, but altcoins are still waiting in the wings for their big breakout. Let's take a step back and examine the bigger picture. Bitcoin is showing an exciting upward trend, defying expectations of a deeper pullback. Instead of a slowdown, we're moving into what feels like the up-only season, a phase of continuous growth and momentum. This is the kind of energy that gets the entire crypto space buzzing. But what can the past teach us about the present? Let's revisit the 2020-2021 cycle to uncover the patterns we might see again. If we rewind to 2020, specifically November, we see the start of an upward swing for Bitcoin. By the end of that month, Bitcoin had reclaimed its previous all-time highs from 201,720,18. But here's the key. December was when things truly took off. That's when Bitcoin began its meteoric rise, eventually reaching $60,000 plus by April 2021. Now, fast forward to today, if we are indeed following the same pattern, this current move is slightly ahead of schedule. Could that mean an even bigger surge for December? Personally, I believe it does. All the signs point to this month being potentially groundbreaking for the crypto market. With historical trends aligning and growing momentum across the board, it's hard not to feel optimistic about what's coming. While we can't predict the future with certainty, we can prepare for the opportunities ahead by looking back at how the market has behaved in similar conditions. If this cycle unfolds anything like 2020-2021, the best is yet to come. The dollar's impact and RSI insights, crypto's next big surge. Why is a weakening dollar great news for crypto? Let's break down the inverse relationship and how RSI levels are signaling what's next. The upcoming FOMC meeting is set to inject a wave of volatility across the entire market. While volatility might make some nervous, it often creates massive opportunities in crypto. In particular, I believe we're going to witness a significant surge in key projects like XRP, XLM, and hedera. Why? Because all signs point to the dollar entering a downward trend. If you're wondering why a weaker dollar matters, here's the simple explanation. It's an inverse relationship. When the dollar strengthens, risk-on assets like crypto tend to struggle. But when the dollar weakens, it's a green light for crypto markets to rally. This is exactly the scenario we're watching unfold. Could the dollar's decline spark the next alt season? Let's take a closer look at what RSI is telling us about this trend. Currently, the RSI, Relative Strength Index, on the dollar is reaching levels where we've historically seen sell-offs. These peaks signal that the dollar's strength is starting to falter. Every time the RSI has hit these levels in the past, the dollar's value has stalled and then declined. This happened in September 2023 and again in April 2024. The key level we're watching now is around 107. If the dollar breaks below this threshold, it could trigger a cascading effect, propelling crypto assets to new heights. However, if it breaks above this level, it could signal renewed strength in the dollar, creating temporary headwinds for the market. Looking deeper into the RSI data, we're also seeing bearish divergence forming. While the dollar's price is climbing, RSI is trickling downward, a classic sign of weakening momentum. This divergence is a critical signal that the dollar's rally might be losing steam, setting the stage for a shift in market dynamics. For crypto investors, this is a moment to stay sharp. If the dollar does enter a downward trend, it could align perfectly with a broader market rally, pushing Bitcoin and altcoins to extraordinary levels. The next few days will be crucial as these patterns continue to develop. Bitcoin breakout. Is alt season just around the corner? Bitcoin has broken out of a key wedge pattern, but could this move be the spark that ignites alt season? Let's analyze what's happening. Let's zoom out and put this recent Bitcoin move into perspective. The wedge pattern we've been following stretches all the way back to November 11th, marking the start of a strong uptrend. Over the past weeks, Bitcoin has been trading near the upper boundary of this wedge, creating anticipation for a decisive breakout. Yesterday, we finally got confirmation. Bitcoin has broken to the upside, a move that many have been waiting for. But now the big question is, how far can this rally go? Could we actually see Bitcoin break the $100,000 mark in this move? While it's an exciting thought, it's important to remain calm and focus on the larger picture. While Bitcoin surges, could its dominance signal the beginning of a major shift for altcoins? Let's dive deeper. During this time, Bitcoin dominance becomes the key metric to watch. As dominance rises and approaches the critical gray box resistance area, we anticipate a pivotal moment, a potential rejection, and subsequent sell-off in Bitcoin dominance. Why is this important? Because historically, this is the signal that alt season is about to begin. When Bitcoin dominance starts to decline, funds traditionally flow into altcoins, driving massive rallies in projects with strong fundamentals. XRP is a prime example. In past cycles, XRP has gone parabolic during these shifts, and there's a strong likelihood it could happen again. The patterns from 2017 and 2021 show a clear roadmap. Bitcoin leads, dominance peaks, and then altcoins take center stage. Right now, we're still in the early phases of this breakout. While Bitcoin's momentum is impressive, the true opportunity might lie in what follows. A significant market-wide expansion, driven by altcoins. The next few weeks will be critical as we watch dominance levels and capital flow across the market. If history repeats itself, as it so often does in crypto, we're standing at the threshold of a monumental alt season. XRP, Ethereum, and other large-cap altcoins are ready to take the spotlight. This is a moment to stay sharp, stay informed, and prepare for what's coming. XRP trading volume surges, liquidity cycles in action. XRP's trading volume is skyrocketing, and liquidity cycles are aligning. Could this signal the next big breakout for XRP? Let's explore the details. XRP has been a focal point for many in the crypto community, and for good reason. Over the past 24 hours, trading volume has reached remarkable levels. On platforms like Fiat Leak, we've seen XRP trading spike to an incredible 5 million tokens per minute at certain times. These numbers reflect an intense level of activity and growing interest, particularly as the market undergoes a dramatic transformation. What's driving this sudden shift? A key factor is the 4-year liquidity cycle, a pattern that has consistently influenced the broader crypto market. This cycle, which improves every 4 years, is one of the fundamental reasons behind the current monstrous bull run. Liquidity is flowing, and the market is thriving as a result. XRP is positioned right in the middle of this momentum, with its utility and adoption driving attention from both retail and institutional investors. But what does this mean for XRP's price action? Let's analyze the technicals to see what could come next. From a technical perspective, XRP is forming a textbook bull flag pattern, a bullish continuation setup that often precedes a significant breakout. If this pattern plays out, we could be looking at one of the largest daily candle closes for XRP since 2621. 26122. The alignment of technicals and fundamentals creates a compelling case for XRP's potential to surge further. Ever since the recent elections, the market landscape has shifted overnight, creating a favorable environment for digital assets like XRP. With liquidity cycles improving and trading volumes skyrocketing, XRP is uniquely positioned to capitalize on this momentum. Investors are watching closely, and the excitement is palpable. This is a pivotal moment for XRP and the broader crypto market. If liquidity cycles continue to align with strong trading activity, we could be standing on the brink of an extraordinary rally. It's not just about price. It's about the broader impact and significance of these market movements. XRP price targets breaking barriers to historical highs. Could XRP be on the verge of smashing through its previous highs? Let's break down the key targets and what lies ahead. XRP is gearing up for its next big move, with its eyes set on a critical target, $1.32. This level is not just another price point, it's a key resistance zone that could set the tone for XRP's trajectory in the coming weeks. Breaking through $1.32 would signal a significant shift in momentum, paving the way for even bigger gains. If XRP successfully clears this level, the next major milestone is $2, a level it hasn't touched since 2021. Surpassing $2 would mark a monumental achievement, putting XRP back into the spotlight as one of the top-performing assets in the market. But the excitement doesn't stop there. Beyond $2 lies the ultimate goal, XRP's all-time high of $3.84. Is $3.84 just the beginning? Let's explore how XRP's path could unfold from here. While these targets are thrilling, it's important to approach them with a balanced perspective. The $1.32 level must be broken convincingly before we start speculating on $2 or beyond. A breakout without sufficient volume or confirmation could lead to a pullback, so it's crucial to watch this level closely. Historical data shows that XRP tends to move quickly and decisively once it gains momentum. In previous cycles, key breakouts have led to parabolic moves in a matter of days. If $1.32 falls, it could ignite a chain reaction, bringing $2 within reach much faster than many expect. And if $2 is surpassed, the path to $3.84 becomes increasingly clear. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Patience and discipline are essential in moments like these. Watching for confirmation at $1.32 is the first step. From there, the market will provide clearer signals about what's to come. Whether it's a steady climb or a rapid ascent, XRP's potential to revisit and even exceed its historical highs is becoming more tangible by the day. The next move will be critical, not just for XRP, but for its holders, who are eagerly anticipating this long-awaited breakout. Ripple's mission: unlocking market potential through XRP. Ripple is solving cross-border payment challenges, but how does XRP fit into this vision, and what does the future hold under new leadership? Ripple's mission has always been clear: to revolutionize cross-border payments by addressing inefficiencies that have plagued the financial system for decades. Traditional payment systems are slow, costly, and often unreliable, creating barriers for businesses and individuals alike. Ripple, powered by XRP, is changing that narrative by offering a solution that is faster, more affordable, and remarkably efficient. At the heart of Ripple's strategy is XRP, a digital asset specifically designed to enhance cross-border transactions. By leveraging blockchain technology, Ripple enables near-instant settlement, drastically reducing the time and cost associated with traditional payment methods. This isn't just innovation for the sake of it. It's a practical solution to a real-world problem, one that has the potential to reshape the global financial landscape. But How has Ripple navigated a challenging regulatory environment in the US? And what opportunities lie ahead with changing leadership? The regulatory environment in the United States has been one of Ripple's biggest hurdles. Under the Biden administration, crypto has faced significant resistance, with Ripple being a primary target. Despite these challenges, Ripple has continued to expand its reach globally, securing partnerships and building a robust network outside the US. However, the tide appears to be turning. With the Trump administration's pro-crypto stance gaining momentum, there is renewed optimism for Ripple's future in the US market. Clearer regulations and a more supportive government could unlock new opportunities, allowing Ripple to tap into the world's largest economy. This shift in leadership might just be the catalyst needed for Ripple to thrive domestically, complementing its already strong international presence. Ripple's focus is not just on growth, but also on creating a more inclusive financial system. By solving cross-border payment inefficiencies, Ripple is setting the stage for a new era of global finance, one that is faster, more accessible, and built for the digital age. With changing market dynamics and a supportive regulatory environment on the horizon, Ripple's opportunities for expansion are greater than ever. Crypto regulations under Trump. A new dawn for Ripple. Could the Trump administration bring the regulatory clarity that crypto has been waiting for? Ripple is betting on it. Let's break it down. Ripple has long advocated for regulatory clarity in the crypto space, and the current shift in political leadership could mark a turning point. Under the Trump administration, there's growing optimism that outdated laws like the Howey test, which date back to 1946, will no longer dictate the future of digital assets. Instead, Ripple and the broader crypto industry are hopeful for a modern framework that reflects the innovations of the last 2 decades. The lack of clear regulations has been one of the biggest barriers for the crypto industry in the US, creating uncertainty for companies and investors alike. Ripple, for example, has been embroiled in legal battles that have hindered its domestic growth. However, discussions with key regulatory bodies like the SEC and the CFTC are signaling a shift. These conversations aim to establish guidelines that not only protect investors, but also foster innovation and growth within the industry. But what could these new regulations look like? And how might they reshape the future of crypto in the US? Let's explore. The Trump administration has already shown signs of a pro-crypto stance, with key appointments and policy shifts indicating a more favorable environment for digital assets. Ripple expects this administration to prioritize clarity, removing the ambiguity that has plagued the industry for years. By addressing gaps in existing laws and introducing tailored regulations for crypto, the US could reclaim its position as a global leader in blockchain technology and innovation. For Ripple, this represents an opportunity to expand its operations in the US, a market it has largely been excluded from due to legal challenges. With 95% of Ripple's business currently outside the US, regulatory clarity could open the door to new partnerships, increased adoption of XRP, and a stronger foothold in the world's largest economy. This is more than just a win for Ripple. Clear and consistent regulations would benefit the entire crypto ecosystem, attracting institutional investors, encouraging innovation, and driving mass adoption. The Trump administration's focus on deregulation and its willingness to engage with industry leaders could be the catalyst that propels the crypto market into its next phase of growth. As the discussions continue, all eyes are on how these regulatory frameworks will take shape. Ripple's leadership and advocacy for clarity put it in a prime position to thrive in this new era of crypto regulation. Coinbase, Ripple, and RLUSD transforming the stablecoin market. Ripple is teaming up with industry giants and launching a game-changing stablecoin. Could this reshape the $180 billion billionaire market? Let's dive in. Ripple has always been at the forefront of innovation in the crypto space, but its recent collaboration with Coinbase and Andreessen Horowitz takes things to a new level. Together, these industry leaders are advocating for crypto-friendly policies that aim to create a more supportive regulatory environment in the United States. This partnership highlights the shared vision of making the U.S. a global hub for digital assets. But Ripple isn't stopping there. It's also making waves in the rapidly growing stablecoin market with the introduction of RLUSD, Ripple's very own stablecoin. The stablecoin market is currently valued at approximately $180 billion, with Tether dominating the space. Ripple sees this as an opportunity to disrupt the status quo by providing a solution specifically designed for institutional use cases. So, what sets RLUSD apart from the competition, and how could it transform cross-border payments? Let's take a closer look. RLUSD is more than just another stablecoin. It's a tool built to address one of the most persistent challenges in global finance: cross-border payments. By leveraging Ripple's robust blockchain technology, RLUSD promises faster, cheaper, and more reliable transactions compared to traditional methods. This positions it as a perfect fit for banks and financial institutions looking to streamline their operations. Ripple's strategy is clear: target the institutional market, where demand for efficient and scalable solutions is growing exponentially. By offering a stablecoin that integrates seamlessly with its existing ecosystem, Ripple is not only enhancing the utility of XRP, but also solidifying its position as a leader in blockchain-based financial solutions. The launch of RLUSD comes at a pivotal time, as regulatory clarity in the U.S. begins to improve. Ripple's proactive approach to engaging with regulators, combined with its focus on innovation, puts it in a strong position to capitalize on this evolving landscape. With Coinbase and Andreessen Horowitz as allies, Ripple is well equipped to navigate the complexities of the market and drive meaningful change. The stablecoin market is evolving, and Ripple's RLUSD is set to play a significant role in shaping its future. Whether it's through policy advocacy or groundbreaking products, Ripple continues to demonstrate its commitment to leading the charge in crypto innovation. Ripple versus DeSect, the fight for clearer crypto regulations. Ripple is calling out the SEC for its inconsistent leadership. Could this be the turning point for crypto regulation in the US? Let's uncover the details. Ripple has not held back in its critique of the SEC's approach to crypto regulation, and for good reason. Under the leadership of Gary Gensler, the SEC has been accused of acting in ways that are more political than practical. Ripple's stance is clear: the SEC's current leadership has created confusion and hindered progress in the crypto industry. Brad Garlinghouse, Ripple's CEO, has called Gensler's leadership hypocritical, pointing out that his actions often contradict his words. Despite teaching courses on crypto at MIT, Gensler has taken a hardline stance as the SEC chair, leaving many to question his motivations. Federal courts have even weighed in, labeling some of the SEC's actions as arbitrary and capricious. But why does Ripple believe that clearer regulations could make the US a global leader in crypto? Let's explore. Ripple argues that the lack of regulatory clarity in the US has pushed innovation offshore, with countries like Japan, Switzerland, and the UK stepping in to fill the void. This inconsistency has not only stifled growth domestically, but also allowed other nations to take the lead in shaping the future of blockchain and digital assets. However, Ripple sees a silver lining. With growing pressure from courts and the industry, there's hope for a regulatory reset. Ripple believes that clear, consistent rules could provide the foundation for the US to reclaim its position as a global leader in crypto innovation. This isn't just about Ripple's success. It's about fostering an environment where the entire crypto ecosystem can thrive. From startups to institutional players, everyone stands to benefit from a regulatory framework that supports innovation while protecting investors. As the battle between Ripple and the SEC continues, one thing is clear: the stakes are high, not just for Ripple, but for the future of crypto in the United States. The outcome could set a precedent that shapes the industry for years to come. The crypto revolution is here. Don't miss out. Crypto is on the verge of a massive transformation, and you're in the right place to witness it all. Let's talk about what's coming next. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to reflect on what's happening in the world of crypto. We are standing at the edge of a monumental shift, one that could redefine finance and technology for decades to come. The new administration's pro-innovation approach is already setting the stage for this transformation. Clearer regulations, renewed focus on utility, and widespread adoption are all aligning to create the perfect environment for growth. The crypto industry, including XRP, is no longer just a niche topic. It's becoming a dominant force in global markets. Over the coming months, expect to see mainstream media amplify this conversation like never before. Crypto will be the headline story, the subject of discussions at dinner tables, and the focus of investors worldwide. This is not a passing trend. It's the beginning of a new era. Are you ready to navigate this groundbreaking shift? The tools, knowledge, and insights you need are all right here. At MMO Crypto, our mission is to empower you with information, analysis, and updates that matter. We are here to help you understand the trends, seize the opportunities, and make informed decisions as this market evolves. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your crypto journey, now is the time to stay engaged and ahead of the curve. If you found value in this video, don't stop here. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Join the MMO Crypto community where we decode the future of digital assets together.